Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use K-file endodontics. K-files are fundamental instruments in root canal therapy, designed to clean and shape the intricate canal system. Understanding their characteristics, like size and taper, is crucial for effective treatment. We'll cover the basics of selecting the right file and the initial steps for safe and efficient canal preparation. Mastering these foundational techniques will significantly improve your endodontic outcomes. Selecting the correct K-file size and taper is paramount for successful root canal treatment. Begin by assessing the canal's anatomy to guide your choice. Pre-curving your files is a vital step, especially for curved canals, as it helps navigate the canal path more smoothly and reduces the risk of creating ledges. Remember to always lubricate the canal with an appropriate gel, like EDTA, to enhance file progression and minimize friction during instrumentation. Effective instrumentation with K-files involves specific techniques to ensure thorough cleaning and shaping. Start with a gentle watch-winding motion to explore the canal and establish patency. Progressively use either the step-back or crown-down technique, depending on the canal's complexity, to gradually enlarge and shape the canal. Frequent irrigation throughout the process is critical for flushing out debris and disinfecting the root canal system, preparing it for obturation. To achieve optimal results, always avoid applying excessive force, which can lead to file separation or undesirable canal transportation. Regularly confirm your working length using an apex locator or a periapical radiograph to ensure accurate instrumentation to the apical constriction. Remember, precision and patience are key in endodontics. For those looking for great deals and to stay hydrated, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic offers. Your attention to detail will lead to predictable and successful outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.